Hi there and welcome to the new Google Data Studio tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how you can do the calculations like month to date, quarter to date, week to date and year to date. Some of the very important calculations which in a dashboard you would like to have, and that's pretty easy within Google Data Studio without much of a calculation, and just with the help of the date range filter you can do that. Well, this date range filter we have already added and I've shown you in the previous videos that how you can add it and utilize it. But one of the features which is present over here, in case of an auto date range, so you have auto and fixed. So in case of an auto date range, you have the features like this year to date, or last year, or this year, last quarter, or this quarter to date, and last month, this month to date, and going all the way up till this week, right? So even in case of this week, you see that there is some flexibility is given that Sunday, whether the week is starting on the Sunday, from there you want to count, or you want to count from Monday. So generally it happens that most businesses open on Monday, so you are starting the count from Monday. So that's basically the option I wanted to show you, that before indulging into a custom calculation for year to date or month to date, quarter to date, you should look at this option, try to select it. Why I have not selected this? Because when we will select this will look for this year or this year to date. That means we are in 2020. Then it will look for the 2020, but this data set is only up until 2012, because if I select this year to date, it will not result anything, you will not get anything out of that. So why you are not getting this? Because this chart is not getting the impact from this chart, because this is having a customized range and the predefined filter that we can set from the chart properties. But for the rest of the charts, you don't see any data, because what it shows is first from 1st Jan to July 30 is the current this year to date for range is. So that's how you can basically utilize these automatic options and get the desired output for your report and dashboard.